Hello guys, welcome to SimTech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to get free virtual credit card from Bybit. So guys, Bybit is a crypto platform, a cryptocurrency exchange platform that you can buy crypto, you can sell crypto, or you can do other transactions on the platform. But in today's video I'll show you guys how to get free credit card from Bybit, okay? And you can use the credit card to make any online purchases or just do any online transaction that requires credit card, okay? So without wasting my time, let me open the Bybit app, okay, and show you guys how to get this free virtual credit card, okay? So I'll just click and open my app. I'll leave the link of Bybit in this video description so that you guys will use it to sign up and start getting your free credit card from Bybit, okay? So when you get to this place, you just need to click on this more button over here. There is a lot of feature, but you just click on this more. Then we look through to find the card, okay? So you can just scroll down and you will see a card at this finance. Where you go to the finance option, you will see card, okay? So now we will click on this card. So let us generate a card, okay? I have already terminated my first card because of this video, so I'm just doing it again for you guys to know how to set up a virtual card on Bybit, okay? So now you just click on this my cards, but if yours is blur like this, you see something over here and just click apply now, okay? So I just click apply now, and you can see I am eligible for a Visa Platinum card. Enjoy 0 annual fees and global acceptance, okay? So I am eligible for this virtual card and I don't need to pay for any fee, and I can use it to make any transaction I want, okay? So now, since I am eligible, I'll just click on this start now to generate my free virtual card from Bybit, okay? So let me click on this start now. Okay, so I need to make sure my email is correct, and I will just click on this to accept their APAC card program terms and condition. Okay, so when I'm done, I'll click on submit. Okay, so my application for the Visa card is under review, and your virtual card application typically takes a few minutes to complete, and in other cases additional review may extend the process to a maximum of 7 days. And you can see I've gotten a notification right now that my card has been approved. Okay, so my card has been approved successfully and I have gotten this free virtual Visa card, and I can use it to make any payments I want. Okay, so I'll just click on card dashboard, and you can see my card is successful. Okay, so this is my card. I'll just slide this down and you can see my card. Okay, I have a Visa card from Bybit, and this is a platinum business card from Bybit. And the sweet part of this is that I will get access to the card number, the expiry date, and the name I used to register my Bybit account will be used as this card name. Okay, so if you want to see your card details, you can just click on this icon over here and you do a confirmation. Okay, so you need to submit some billing address, so I'll just click on submit. I've already entered. Okay, so now you can see there's zero balance in my card because there's no money. I just created a card right now. I'll just click on my cards and you can see this is a Bybit card. Okay, so this is the card number, the expiry date, it will expire on 2029, the card holder name, the CVV. So if you want to see all your details, all your card details, you just click on this card details over here and all this will show for you to use. Okay, so now let's say you've done creating your card and you want to add money to this card so that you can use it to pay your details. It's very simple. You just need to buy USDT on your Bybit account and then you transfer it to this card. Okay, as soon as the money is in your Bybit account, you can use this card to make your payments and automatically it will be deducted from your Bybit account. Okay, and also this card has some daily limits. Okay, you can spend 50,000 USDT in a single transaction. Okay, and in a month you can spend 150,000 USD in a month, and in a year you can spend 500,000 USD in a year. Okay, so if you want to upgrade this, you can just click on this to upgrade your request. Okay, you can just upgrade your limit, balance, and everything. Okay, so if this video helped you to get a free credit card from Bybit, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.